Hello guys, today we're going to be making an easy pumpkin pie, and the ingredients we'll be using are the 100% pure pumpkin, the Carnation milk, some salt, eggs, granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, ginger, and also this deep dish pie crust. So let's get into it. First, we're going to mix our dry ingredients in the bowl, and I'm going to add my sugar, a little bit over maybe a half cup. We're going to add our cloves, and we're using a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves in here. We're going to add our cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, the ginger, also 1 teaspoon. This is ground ginger. And some salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we'll add it in here and mix it all together. Once that is done, we'll set that aside and we'll beat our eggs in here. We're using 2 eggs for this recipe. Mind you, we're only using half of the pumpkin mix. So we beat the eggs. And then we're going to gradually stir in our pumpkin, our pure pumpkin mix. And we're using half of it. If you want to use the whole thing, you need 2 pie crusts, and you need to double your recipe or your ingredients. So we'll mix that with the egg. Make sure it's well incorporated. And now we're going to add the dry ingredients that we set aside. Gradually add that as you mix it all together. The next thing we're going to add is our milk. And we're using 1 cup of milk. So we're using the evaporated milk. That is a 1/2 cup. And another 1/2 cup. And gradually stir it in until everything is well incorporated in there, and you've mixed everything thoroughly. As you're done with that, make sure your oven is preheated at 425, and we're going to pour this mix into our deep dish pie crust. So here we go. Slowly pour it in. There we go. Now we're going to take our pie and we'll stick it in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to reduce the temperature to 350 and bake again for 35 to 45 minutes, or until a knife is inserted near the center and it comes out clean. Okay? Oven is on 425, like I said, and I'm sticking this in for 15 minutes. I'll check on it, reduce the heat to 350. I already had one in the oven, so we'll reduce the heat to 350 and let it cook for 35 to 45 minutes. And make sure you use a knife in the center of the pie. Stick it in the center of the pie, and if it comes out clean, it's cooked. And if it comes out sticky, you know it's still not cooked. Okay? So we're closing this and we'll allow it to cook. That's the end of this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to share, subscribe, And also follow me for more recipes. Thank you. God bless.